For a humidity sensor bathroom exhaust fan, install use connectors that give secure, low-resistance connections and make future maintenance easy. Choose Wago lever connectors when you want a quick, reliable connection that accepts multiple conductor sizes and can be reused without tools. Pick the 3-port model for line load and neutral, or the 2-port plus ground arrangement as needed. Strip insulation to the manufacturer recommended length, typically about 7 to 8 millimeters, and ensure copper conductors are straight and clean before insertion to prevent poor contact. For stranded wire, clamp each strand together with a small crimp sleeve, or use a connector rated for stranded conductors to avoid splaying. If you prefer twist-on wire nuts, select the correct size for the conductor combination and wrap clockwise until the conductors are tight, then tug gently to verify mechanical strength. For multi-wire fan units with a sensor lead, separate the sensor wire from the fan motor and light circuits, and use a dedicated connector so troubleshooting later is simple. Always match connector voltage and current ratings to the circuit, and follow local electrical code or consult a licensed electrician when in doubt. Common mistakes include using the wrong connector type for stranded versus solid wire, which can lead to loose connections and intermittent operation. Fix that by using connectors rated for the conductor type or by inserting stranded wire into a ferrule before a screw or clamp. Another issue is insufficient insulation stripping or leaving nicked conductors, which raises resistance and heat risk. Remedy this by carefully measuring strip length and replacing any damaged wire. People also overload a single connector by trying to force too many conductors into one port, which can create high resistance and poor clamping. Split the conductors across multiple ports, or use a larger multi-port connector designed for that conductor count. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse real project threads to see how installations like these are done in real homes. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners and host an active discussion community where users share tips, photos, and practical advice.